So in this question, they're asking me to find the masses of this compound and copper oxide. So they said that 388 grams of ferric of iron metal was produced, and this much carbon dioxide was produced in the whole mixture. So I said that there will be some grams of carbon dioxide produced by this compound and some grams of carbon dioxide produced by CuO. So since they gave me how much iron metal was produced, I can just use this to find the mass of this compound, because there's not iron metal produced in this reaction, so I'm just gonna use that for this reaction, the top one. So I just wrote that down, then I converted it to moles of iron, then I did the mole ratio of Fe2O3 and iron in the reaction, and then at the end I multiplied it by 1 mole, by the grams of 1 mole of this compound. So I got this much grams of Fe2O3 in the reaction. So since there will be some carbon dioxide produced by this reaction, I can just find this value because I already found the grams of Fe2O3. So I just wrote that down, then I converted it to moles of Fe2O3. Then I did the mole ratio of carbon dioxide and the compound. Then I multiplied it by the grams of 1 mole of carbon dioxide. So there's going to be this much carbon dioxide produced by this compound, by the top reaction. So since I already have that, I can just subtract that number from my total carbon dioxide produced. So I did that over here. So grams of carbon dioxide total minus grams of carbon dioxide produced by this compound. So I got this much carbon dioxide produced by this compound. So since I already have the grams of carbon dioxide produced by CuO, I can just find the grams of CuO in the compound. So I wrote that down, then I converted to moles of carbon dioxide, then I did the mole ratio, and then at the end I multiplied it by 1 mole, but the grams of 1 mole of CuO. So I got this much grams of copper oxide.